This game is not over yet. Here comes the Arbattack.
Here's how we'll be setting up the tables. Simply find 2 words to match together, then press space. A correct match will reward you 2,000 big ones, and an incorrect match will be your 2,000 stolen. And just a heads up, not all matches are equal, so pay attention to everything you see. You'll get the hang of it, only if you... Just a disclaimer, since we're low on budget, you'll be seeing 1 word from a question once, so if you miss your chance, it's gone. So don't lose your hope. It's gotta be a match that fits this clue. Wubba-dubba-dub, is that okay? At the end of every Rhythm Heaven game, you'll be given an epilogue with a message. Simply tell me what game is this epilogue message from. Ready? No? I don't care. Good luck. Let's see how you ended up. That's the game!